Robin.
So my new front drive shaft hit my transmission.
Think so. Mine does that. Oh yeah.
Let's see what you gonna do about that big rock in front of me. Put a tire on it.
I pointed out its presence. It wasn't there last time we did this line, but I did not hear the plan.
Which way did you go?
Right through here.
You came through here, Vinny?
I walked up this. I was expecting to have to fight it. I was looking for a continuous.
There you go. Crawl it straight. No, keep going.
Yeah, don't go backwards.
Don't back up.
Got up it.
Just crawl to the right, Passenger. Right there. Now driver. Woohoo! Good job.
This is tippy spot.
Nice to be done there, Rob.
It'll be less tippy in 6 inches.
Well, I'm coming up on this rock on this side. That's the downside.
Oh.
I think you're fine.
I'm actually pretty pleased with those tires so far. They grip right up now.
Good. Yeah, I was really blown away. I didn't slip a tire. Just
really?
crawled right up it. But I had a different line as well, just further to the left.
If you had more air, you would have gotten a little bit more.
This is so torn up in here over the years.
Well, I remember coming up like you did. I remember when that was flat.
Yeah, the top. Yeah.
To the point where it almost tipped you over towards the cliff.
Yep.
Now it's, you know you're not going to flop over.
No. There you go.
Even this side is all torn up.
You got it. Oh, bump. Never mind.
Oh, you had it. What are you doing?
I thought the back right was going to climb. There you go.
Her face over there didn't look very good.
Yeah, heart.
3 full wheels on the ground.
That's perfect.
There it is.
Good job.